Landon. I'm gonna tie it.
What's
You have to put
Sissy
it in the
doing?
bucket, okay? Here, Landon. See, you put it in here.
There we go.
You gonna give me another one? Okay, Landon, pick one. Here you go.
Blue.
You want a blue one? Here, take this one.
Throw it.
Oh gosh. Here, Landon.
Just put them down.
I don't know top. Let me see.
You got it. Uh-oh. It popped.
Here, Landon, you ready to throw it? Okay, I'm gonna throw it. How should throw it, okay? Ready? You hold it?
Just
Landon,
let him watch. Just let him watch. Landon, watch.
Ready?
Go throw it.
You go. Ready?
1.
Whoa! You wanna try? Come here, Landon. You wanna try it?
Throw it.
You like that?
Do it. He's waiting for you to throw it.
You wanna try it, Landon?
Landon's turn.
Okay, here you go. Here you go. Come here. Come here. Look, it's not gonna do anything. Look, see? Yay! Come here.
Throw it. You ready?
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, Landon, only one left. You want to do it? You gotta throw this one.
You're gonna know what?
Oh, sorry.
Bitch, my camera.
Oh.
It's not the waterproof one.
Oh, it's just a drop of water. Oh, I was doing it yesterday. That was all. Oh.
Landon, throw the water balloon. Throw it. He just wants to unlock the car. Yeah, go
Oh,
Landon.
this one? Landon, here. This one. Ready, Landon? Put it on your head.
Elise.
Say bye-bye, Mama Car.
I'm gonna dent it.
You wanna throw it in Mama's car? Oh, it's running across the car.
It's way over there. You're wasting them all.
Hey, I made him.
They're for Landon.
No, he can go make his own.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it could. Look at, there's only one
It's
left.
gonna be a big one. I'm surprised that one doesn't pop right now.
Yeah, you could blame Auntie Elise for that
I
one.
don't care. I blew him up. I can make as many as I want. Landon, wanna help me? I'm gonna go make some more.
More.
Go over there.